Welcome to the ultimate guide to SET Protocol, your gateway to smarter crypto portfolio management and automated trading strategies. If you're looking to take your crypto investing to the next level, SET Protocol offers a seamless way to create, manage, and optimize your decentralized finance investments. Start by visiting the SET Protocol platform. You will notice the sleek interface designed for both beginners and experienced traders. At the core of SET Protocol is its ability to automate and rebalance your crypto portfolio through sets, which are pre-designed strategies you can invest in. These sets are powered by smart contracts, ensuring transparency and security. Browse the variety of available sets, each tailored to different risk appetites and investment goals. For instance, there are sets focused on risk mitigation, market trends, or even exposure to specific sectors within the crypto space. Once you've identified a set that aligns with your strategy, connecting your wallet is the next step. SET Protocol supports popular wallets like MetaMask, making it easy to get started. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. After connecting your wallet, you can invest directly in your chosen set. The process is simple, with clear instructions guiding you through the transaction. Once invested, the smart contract takes over, automatically rebalancing and optimizing your portfolio based on the strategy you selected. The dashboard allows you to monitor your investments in real time, providing insights into performance and metrics. One of the standout features of SET Protocol is its integration with DeFi platforms for yield farming and liquidity mining. This enhances your ability to earn passive income while maintaining exposure to the broader crypto market. The platform also allows you to create your own custom set if you prefer a personalized investment strategy. Stay informed with the educational resources and updates provided by SET Protocol, ensuring you're always ahead in the fast-evolving world of decentralized finance. Don't miss out on this game-changing platform. Subscribe to this channel for more insights into DeFi tools and strategies, and give this video a like to support our content.